Hey everyone, today I'll show you a super easy way to use USPS Click and Ship. First, go to USPS.com, hover over Send, and click Click and Ship. Sign into your account or make a new one if you don't have it. Next, fill in your return address and the address of the person you're sending to. Double check everything so it gets there safely. Choose your package type. Use your own box or USPS packaging, add the weight and size of your package. Pick the shipping option like priority mail and any extras you want like insurance or signature confirmation. Review your details, pay online, print your label, stick it on your package. Finally, drop it off at any USPS location or schedule a free pickup from home. And that's it, quick, simple, and done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.